Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. Unfortunately, due to the coronavirus threat, the UK government has had to make further restriction regarding the lockdown. Now, how does it affect your driving lessons or your driving tests? So, as a driving instructor, we always get up to date information regarding the driving test or any changes. So, here we go from dvsa local restrictions 3-tier system of local COVID alerts. So, how does it affect your driving lessons and tests? The UK government is introducing a 3-tiered system of local COVID alert levels in England from Wednesday, 14th of October. Read the government's guidance on the new alert level system. Okay, what this means for our services, currently all three local alert levels do not affect our services. And we will keep the situation under review and let you know if anything changes. So if anything does change, make sure you're subscribed to FM Driving School. As soon as we get all the information, we're going to pass it on straight to you guys so that there's no delays, there's no confusion. So at this stage, nothing is changing. Your test is still going to go ahead. Make sure you're fully prepared. You have your face mask, identifications, your correct timings for your driving test. So hopefully you guys can pass your driving test before anything further happens in the future. Don't forget to watch all our other videos. We go through how to pass your driving test. We give you advice how to pass your driving test. We show you what the examiners look out for. We even show you mock tests from myself, your fully qualified driving instructor. So make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.